is.
I thought he's gonna boot it in the face.
Oh shit!
Oh!
The force of the impact can send the dog flying through the air, leaving only confusion as to what has happened. However, there was no doubt that something terrible had occurred. Not only did this canine feel extremely dizzy, but also pain all over its body as if every bone had been broken at once. You should always take care of your pet dog. Never let it disturb this beautiful and strong animal.
Oh, see, I told you you were gonna get it.
There are various types of injuries that a horse can inflict on a dog. One of the most dangerous is a kick from the horse's hind legs. As shown in this clip, this bulldog suffered a painful kick after trying to attack a horse. One of the most serious dangers of a horse kick is that it can cause the dog to go into shock. This can be fatal if not treated immediately. Always keep your dog away from horses that are known to be dangerous or aggressive. Finally, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Please check out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. And thank
Stupid dog gets in a horse car. No, shut up, let her get kicked.